So hello fellow YouTubers. Um this vlog 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 is going to be about how hard it has been for me to get started. And maybe it's not like this for everybody, but for me it has been hard. There is not enough time in the day. There's not enough energy for me to give to this right now. So it has been almost a week or two since the last time I posted a video. Mind you, I was going to try to at least post 3 videos a week, which I'm still going to try to do, but as of right now, this is all I got. Okay, I'm going on my 3rd video. I have been trying to invest in much better view. I mean, the lighting is a little different. The background is different. I really don't care for that light, but for now, it'll work. I need to get another stand, and I just put a laptop on that way. So hopefully we'll get better with time. This is my journey on vlogging, and I'm hoping for it to get better. And I'm also going on this trip to Denver, Colorado. So hopefully you be able to get to see me in action, just moving around, seeing things from my view and like my reaction to being in Denver, Colorado, because this is a totally different atmosphere. Like, I've been in their airport because I went to Vegas one time. I might tell you about that story, but what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. So just subscribe and see if I ever talk about it, okay? But anyways, that should be awesome. I'm hoping to go skiing for the first time. So yeah, that might be crazy. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, but work and car issues and just everything has been hard, man. So actually having the time and energy to invest in this has been hard, but it's something, like I said, I want to do. So I just need to find time and be a little bit more persistent with it. Like, I don't know how. I can't tell you, what days of the week I'm going to post. But I have no subscribers as of right now, so that means no one is interested. So on my 5th video, if no one subscribes, I probably won't ever do this again. I lie. I'm lying. But I'm trying to get better, okay? In due time, things will get better. Even with my situations outside of trying to vlog, which I'm trying to vlog about. Like, I should have did a video about how I did this floor today. Like, I've never put down laminate floors. Oh, I lie. I have did laminated floors before, but I did it again because my grandmother was really trying to do her floors in one of her old houses that she's trying to move back into. And I went back and got majority of the floor done. I just need one more box to finish it up, but I did an awesome job. So one day I might actually do a video where I show you the floor that I put down. Just because I look a little girly, I'm not that girly. I'm country. I'm so country. Yeah. So, I've pretty much been adjusting to this weather and going through the whirlwind, and I am trying to get this vlogging on board, and it has been, like I said, the hardest thing for me to do. And I would love to know different stories about everybody that have tried to start vlogging. Like, how hard was it? How long was it before you did another video from your first one or your second video? Like, I want to know your journey, because it's not easy. You know, getting started, having the right equipment, doing the right things, having the right lighting, having a background. All this is not easy. So I would like people to subscribe or comment down below or send me a video to watch a review. And I want to see how your journey happened, because it's not easy. And when you're trying to add something into the lifestyle that you already have and you have other things going on, to get started, it's like, do I really want to do this? And sometimes you almost want to just give up. Like, I don't. I don't think I can do this. I don't think I could put my life on here, or I don't think I have time to do this. And you give up, you know. You never know when you're going to see another video again of a person that's just going through things in the back. And then there's some people that they stop for a while, and then when they come back strong. And me personally, I want to get better at this. Like I said, I want to become a little persistent and have at least 3 videos a week. That's my goal. 3 videos a week. So, with that being said, stay tuned, subscribe down below, and comment. Let me know how your first journey went. Let me know, do you plan on starting, when you plan on starting? And to me, now is no better time than any. Like, you start later on, you can only get better with time. So you're gonna have to get better with the time when you start. So why not make mistakes? See how people judge you. See if you're comfortable with being on camera. See how you feel about blogging before you actually invest your money and your time into it, because you never know, it might not be for you. And me right now, this is just my starting point. And like I said, I might not truly be into it, and I might stop one day, but as of right now, it's something I want to do. No, I don't truly have all the time in the day, but I will try my hardest to make 3 videos a week. I did say I'm going to try to make 3 videos a week. So we're going to see how this upcoming week goes. As of right now, today is going on Friday. It's late and I got to be to work in the morning. But, you know, I'm doing this video, and I hope to see more people tell me about their beginning journeys on becoming a YouTuber, because like I said, it's not easy. So stay tuned for more videos on my journey to becoming a YouTube vlogger, and just hear more stories from me. Have a good one.